Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy 2025. Yay, 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 yay.
This is the spread for the new year. We made some food, drank some Fanta, had some cake. Oh my god, that chocolate cake looks so yummy. The spread looks beautiful. Oh, Emily got some flowers. Ooh.
So today we decided to do something new, right? And we're going snow tubing. Is that what it's called? Snow tubing. And guess what? We're already running late for our appointment as usual. But still, I wanted to make a vlog for you guys because it's been a while. We are late because we didn't pick our outfit this whole time. We need to pick outfit that keeps us warm. This is what I was able to come up with. Don't judge me. Come show them your outfit, girl. Show them what you're working with. Anyways, we are heading out now and hopefully we meet the activity.
And they're all from Sage. There's a couple of popular ones.
Yeah,
I would say Liquid Sunshine is one of the most popular. And Eucalyptus, where is this? And this one. These are the most popular. And then feel free to smell.
I'll do this one.
The Liquid Sunshine? Perfect.
Yeah.
I'll have that added into the steam room for you.
So I come with you?
Your massage in this treatment room.
Oh,
It's
looks
only
really nice.
with the halo generator.
Yeah.
Microparticles of salt are filtered into the air. It is all Himalayan rock salt on the floors and the walls. I have a robe here for you.
Thank
You may
you.
hang your coat up there as well, and you can keep your belongings in here and lock it with the key.
Right.
One of the washrooms here, so after your steam room, you may shower
Okay.
in here.
Okay.
And this is our steam room, and then we also have a sauna for if you were to add it to the circuit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm using that one today.
So I will leave you. Did you bring a swimsuit?
No.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't told to.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the scrub. Okay.
What you telling me? Sexy. Agility. Up, up. Watch the mix now. Drop. Caesar. That's that's my energy. If I no get money, not disability. My guys.
Smile. Peekaboo. That's a good.
Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Now Grammy dance, please. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Y'all, I'm traveling again. For someone that hates flying, I travel a lot. Anyways, guess where I'm heading to today? It's Abuja. Actually, I've never ever been to Abuja, so this is my first time in Abuja. And for someone that grew up in Nigeria, that's a little bit weird, but I was so excited to be here because I had something important I had to do. But unfortunately, I was unable to get it done. And I was so sad and devastated. I remained there hoping I could fix the problem, but I wasn't able to. This hotel is a 4-star or 3-star hotel. I'm not really sure, but I was really impressed by how neat and spacious their room was. So I filmed the tour for you guys. Y'all, I was so depressed on this trip. I was trying my best to be happy. So what I did was I was just eating and waiting and hoping and praying for good news. But I didn't get it, so I went back to Lagos.
In life, and this is what I've learned the hard way, is that you don't change until you're ready to change. Yeah.
Let's go!
Oh, yeah, the single. Oh, yeah, the dancer. Yo, I like you. I like you. Yo, yeah, shady man,
Fucking in my last cell. I'm rubbing under the rubber. If you're scared, call that raven boy. I'm drinking. Last thing I remember is how beautiful, but it's burning out of love. Drunk in love with me all night. Hey, am I yelling? Feeling padded right to the side. I got the time to set drugs off on sight. Catch a child in mine. Bucks up like mine. In 97, I buy. I'm like, turn up, baby, now I don't play. Now eat the cake, anime, say eat the cake, anime, I'm not. We ought to reach this height. We go and lead you creep. 4, 5, 6, 5. Sleep that. We sex again in the morning. No breakfast in my breakfast. We going. We be all night. Never tired, never tired. I've been sipping, that's the only thing that's keeping me on fire, me on fire. Didn't mean to steal the liquor all of my attire. I've been drinking watermelon. I want your body right here, daddy. I want you, nah. Can't keep your eyes on my body, daddy. I want you. Oh yeah, you are my African queen. Girl of my dream, me and you are my thing. And that is the African beauty. I love you, I love you. My African queen. I love you, I love you.
Just the steps, only the steps. They want it, they so, they go. Only the legs, just the legs, only the legs, just the legs, only the legs, only the nash, just the nash, only the nash, just the nash, only the nash, just the nash, only the nash. We shake, we move. Nalayo, 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 nalayo. If you bad, you go do. If you bad, you go do. Get me.
Love me, I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. Love, I even gotta tell you.
Y'all, I'm back in Abuja again. This time around, everything went smooth. God is great, thank God. So I decided to give myself a treat and I went to this store. Actually, this is the biggest market in Abuja. That was what I was told. So I was excited to be here. I saw some cute stuff and I got some stuff, which I'm super excited about. You know, as a Lagos babe, you have to bargain prices. So I think I did my best doing the bargain. I think I did. The same thing now. I would love to share what I actually came to Abuja to do, but in this moment, I do not feel like. One day, I'll let you guys know. But all I have to say is, Alhamdulillah, I'm happy. And the treat is not over. I decided to go to Susan Chanel Beauty because I was going to now be in Abuja for a couple more days. And I saw the store. It's really, really cute. So cute. And I tried it out. I'm just here for pickup.
Put the back of your seats upright position and then refrain completely using mobile phones.
If you watched to the end of this video, thank you so much. I love you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.